Forgotten username recovery failed on Moomoo Pro Fix. If you've tried recovering your Moomoo Pro username and failed, most people get this wrong by assuming the process is automatic or using an email that's no longer active. The surprising truth is that you can recover your username quickly by following the right steps. Step 1. Open the Moomoo Pro app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Moomoo Pro will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can be filtered automatically, and multiple requests in a short period may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent trading activity. Contact Moomoo Pro support directly and provide these details, including linked bank account or brokerage information can speed up verification and restore access efficiently. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access efficiently while keeping your Moomoo Pro account secure. Proper verification and credential management are essential for protecting your investments and trading data.